Are you tired of choosing between Arduino and ESP for your next project? What if I told you that picking the right board could be the key to unlocking your project's full potential? Stick around, because in the next 2 minutes, we're diving into the ultimate showdown. Let's start with the classic Arduino. Simple, powerful, and a favorite among beginners. If you're just getting started with electronics, Arduino's intuitive IDE and massive community support make it the easiest board to pick up. From blinking LEDs to building robots, it's the go-to option for many first-time creators. But what if you want to take it a step further? Enter ESP, the real game changer in the world of IoT. Boards like the ESP 8266 and ESP32 come with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, meaning you can connect your projects to the internet in just a few clicks. Let's compare. Arduino is awesome for offline projects or basic control, but when you need advanced wireless connectivity or more processing power, the ESP boards take the lead. Plus, the ESP32 has dual-core processing. Talk about serious power. If you want to build a simple temperature sensor or a LED light controller, Arduino is your best friend. But if you dream of making a smart home system or a remote-controlled robot, then the ESP is your secret weapon. So, which one's right for you? It all depends on your project. Let us know in the comments if you're Team Arduino or ESP, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to take your electronics projects to the next level. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell for more epic tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.